Introducing our revolutionary powder packaging combo. It features a reliable screw conveyor, ensuring a steady and uninterrupted flow of powder. At the core of our filling station is the advanced Auger filler, guaranteeing consistent and accurate dispensing. The packaging machine integrates the bag gripping, coating, and filling process. The suction gripper will automatically pick up each bag. The coating station allows you to apply codes, labels, or any necessary information onto the bags for traceability and branding purposes. The filling station is where the powder is accurately dispensed into each bag. The sealing station securely seals the bag opening to prevent any leakage or contamination. The metal detector provides an extra layer of quality control for your packaged powder products. When a metal contaminant is detected, the air blower will direct a burst at the contaminated product, diverting it into a separate rejection bin.